So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base meme coin here. Okay, within just 3 days of its launching, this meme coin has made a massive pump here. Okay, and listed on to many centralized exchanges within just 3 days. And right now, this meme coin is also trending here on CoinGecko. So that's why maybe in coming months, this meme coin can be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin here. Maybe we can see some many other major centralized exchange listing for this meme coin. Okay, so video is going to be very special, very important. You have to just for the computer. Make sure to like video and subscribe to the channel. Friend, first of all, you can see sector's name $0.49 current price that is pumped by almost 19% here. Okay, and here you can see its market cap is $50 million. Okay, $50 million market cap meme coin, so that is amazing. And this meme coin is just 3 days old only. Okay, so that is amazing. $11.5 million trading volume, so that's amazing, friend. Okay, just 100 million supply only, all in circulation, so that's awesome. Coin is working on Solana blockchain. Just 3 days ago we make a all-time high. You can see $0.7, and its all-time low was $0.3, from where we are 52% up. That was just 19 hours ago. So that's why right now this meme coin is pumping here. Maybe we can see its new all-time high soon here. Okay, within just 3 days of its launching, here you can see this meme coin is listed on MEX exchange, xt.com, BingX, CoinX, Gate.io, Bitgate. Okay, to many centralized exchanges it already listed this meme coin, but it's still not on Bybit, KuCoin. So maybe in coming days, maybe many other major centralized exchanges can list this meme coin because of its current hype here. Okay, and here you can see, as I already told you, this meme coin is working on Solana blockchain. So you can also check out number of holders, 5,193 holders. So within just 3 days of launching, meme coin has scanned solid number of holders. Okay, good number of holders also. So you can see website is also looking good. Okay, this is the half red and half you can see scroll. Okay, half scroll and half red. So that's why this meme coin concept is very unique. You can also follow this meme coin on their social community, Instagram, X, and also on Telegram for their latest updates. Website is looking very funny, very good website. You can see. Okay, all the further details about this meme coin here and listed on here. You can see coin market cap, coin gecko, OKX dex scanner, dex tool, Solana scan. Okay, and also available on X. Okay, there's social community here. You can see Telegram, Twitter. Okay, and also TikTok, Instagram. Okay, friends, and here you can see its tokenomics, as I already show you, 100 million coin supply, all in circulation. Okay, and you can also copy its contact address from their official website also. You can see by clicking here, you can we can also copy his contact address here. Okay, and there's no buying selling tax for this meme coin, 0% here. You can see that's amazing. Liquidity is burned, that's amazing. Okay, total supply is 100 million coins, as I already show you. Get scared on dexes. Okay, these are the dexes where this meme coin is listed, but as right now this meme coin is already listed on too many central exchanges, so I think that's good that we can buy this meme coin on central exchanges. Okay, you can see buy on central exchange, the xt.com, Polynex, MEXC, Get.io, Lbank, and BingX. These are central exchanges where this meme coin is listed. Here you can see this is the Solana chain meme coin. You can also read for further details here, how I can get started, or for all further details here. And first, you also don't miss this disclaimer that this is a useless. Okay, here you can see there is no formal team or roadmap map for this meme coin. This is a completely useless and formal entertainment purposes only. Okay, so this meme coin is created only for entertainment purposes. Okay, as I already told you, meme coins has knows not any specific use case. Okay, they are launching for just entertainment. So that's why you have to invest very carefully here. Okay, FS, I can see right now this meme coin is also trending. As I already show you, you can see trading coins. Okay, Maga Head, Pipey Coin, Caspa, Note Coin. Okay, Nemusen, Layer Zero, and you can see Secret meme coin is right here. So right now this meme coin is also trending on CoinGecko. So that's amazing. That's why within just 3 days of its launching, this meme coin is now listed on I think 6 to 7 cent like exchanges. Okay, and right now its market cap is above $50 million. Okay, so within short time, this meme coin has gained $50 million market cap and listing on 7 centralized exchanges. So that's amazing. And friends, my price prediction about this meme coin is that okay, it's right now is a massive massive hype in crypto market trending here. Okay, so for these reasons, maybe in future we can see its market cap in $1 billion here. Okay, right now within just 3 days of its launching, this meme coin has gained $50 million market cap. So it's possible that in coming days, in coming months, maybe we can see its market cap in $1 billion here. This meme coin has still potential to be the next 500 to maybe 1000x potential meme coin here. Okay, friends, it's possible because still there are too many Saint like exchange listing left for this meme coin. Okay,